Hi and welcome back to our guide for new members. In this video, I will be teaching you how to save your client searches and auto-notify them of any new listings. First, you'll go to Contacts at the top of your dashboard, and then you're going to click on View Manage Contacts. Here you're going to choose which contact you'd like to set up for auto-notify. Once you're in their contact information, you'll select Buyer Activity and Add Search. You're going to click Add New Saved Search and select the class that your client would like to buy in. Once you've selected the class that your client would like to buy in, you would go ahead and put in their criteria. Then you're going to hit Count and then Search. To set up your client for auto notify, you do have to send them one email first if you haven't already. And you can do this by clicking both listings or just one and hitting the email button. Compose email and then send your client the email before setting them up for auto notify. If you have already sent your client an email in the past, you can skip this step. Next, you'll select all of the listings here and save the search. You can custom name your search for each client and save. Once the search is saved, it'll take you to this page under Add a Search. To set your client up for auto notify, you're going to hit the drop down and click Email. It'll automatically populate a new email, and you're going to want to hit Reoccurring Notifications. You're going to set the time frames that you would like your client to get notified. And you're also going to set the type of notifications that your client will get reoccurring notifications for open houses, status changes, new matches, tours, and price changes. To set up your client for Collaboration Center, which is an app where they can view listings and message you and things like that, you're going to want to send a welcome message from the Collaboration Center, and it looks like this. And it'll have instructions on how to get them started on their new Collaboration Center. In the Collaboration Center, their invite code is linked directly to you, so they won't have to find you as an agent once they download the app. It will already be assigned to you as their agent.